Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Great to be back here once again. What a great day we've had today. Absolutely fantastic. Let's get straight into it. Let's bring up my portfolio. It's great to be live right now once again. And we've got some sound coming through from somewhere. Fantastic. Let's get straight into it. Let's bring up my portfolio. Let me just mute that channel again. And there we go. That's better. I've muted it. I had some sound coming through from somewhere. We've now fixed it. There we go. Let's go live portfolio. Sorry about that. Okay, Musanello has just joined me. How are you? And Baby Games as well, already in the live chat. Fantastic. Lovely to have you here. What a great day. The stock market is having an amazing day. Let me share with you my position right now. Look at this, up 1.72. Of course, not as great as Musanella, who is stealing it again, as always does. But nevertheless, this is my position right now. I am very, very happy. And of course, today's big event is the after hours. Is the Virgin Galactic after hours. That's what we're talking about right now. So let's go across and look at what's going on. Here we are. This is my position right now. And if we go into space, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, you can see it's rising throughout the day. This is anticipated because of the earnings report. It tends to do this. You can see I'm now down 10.78%. Which is great. You might go, well, that's not that great. It is. I was down 40% at one point. I kept buying the dips. There's a huge crash. We've diluted the stock. We had all the bad news about delays and so on and so forth. But what the heck? I kept buying the dips, and now I have an average of 22.38, which is great. It used to be an average of 35, so we're in a good position. And I've been selling, reducing my portfolio as it rises as well. Looking at it now, I could dump all of this stock, quite possibly, and then buy back the dip, because I think it will dip after today's earnings report. Hi, Day Trader. I got some Bitcoin. Can't wait for it to go up. Wonderful stuff. Baby Games, you bought some Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Where are we right now? Let's have a look at it. Have I just closed my Bitcoin trading position? Let's have a look. I can't see it open there right now, so I'm going to scroll down to here and reopen it. For some reason, I've closed it. Here we go. Let's have a look. All right, let's have a look. Here's my Bitcoin position. There it is. I've currently got $7,500. So Baby Games has just bought some. Well, we anticipate this going up to 100,000 by the end of the year. Everybody that's watching the show, give us a thumbs up right now. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us here on YouTube. You see nothing on TikTok at all. And smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Come into the live chat. Let us know you're here. We want to see who's with us. So please do come into the live chat and let us know what's going on. Okay, let's go over to our position. 65,000 is our Bitcoin position. Looking good. I like it. Hang on a minute. Why is that up there? That's where that should be. And the Google should be up here. What's going on there? Oh, I know why. I beg your pardon. That's what I meant to look at. There we go. Let's go into the space chart right now. SPCE. As you can see, we've got some volume. We've got some movement coming in now. It's going to be a big night. We've got the earnings report. So typically it rises up to an earnings report and then drops off because there's going to be no good news. There can't be any good news. They've not made any money. Baby Games go up. The queen of self-trading. I am here. Self-braiding, not self-trading. Self-braiding. If you want your hair done, the queen of self-braiding will do your hair for you. Do we have the mugs yet? Not yet, we don't. If we go back to... let's have a look here a minute. If we go back to... you're talking about Robinhood, right? Robinhood, here we go. Robinhood is up to 37.75. 48 we need to get to. It's going to get there, but it won't do it today because the the Bitcoin wallet, the crypto wallets aren't out yet, so I don't expect it to be there today. If you're watching on TikTok, hit the icon right here and then click on the YouTube link. You can't see anything. All my trading screens are on YouTube. All right, or wherever else you're watching me. All right, SPCE has just got some buying power coming in. Look, have a look at it here on the green candle right there. You see that? We're getting some buying power now coming in. This is expected, of course, because we are heading up to the earnings report after hours tonight. There we go. We're up 2% now. I'm just down 11% now on this position. If I share that with you, I bought puts on SPCE. I might be wrong. Musanella's bought puts on SPCE. Tom Zipton. How are you, mate? Zippity Doodah, one of my friends we were just speaking to a few moments ago, has just joined us in the chat. Thanks for the invite, Martin. Zippity Doodah, lovely to see you. Zip is a Bitcoin investor. Zip, may I introduce you now to our biggest trader here on the show, Musanella. See Musanella right above you. This guy trades options. And as you know, an option is a contract of 100 shares, and he buys many contracts at one go. And he said to everybody, he is going to buy everybody a. Oh, you only bought 1,500 today? Okay, I'm talking about your Robinhood option contracts you bought earlier, but 1,500. Okay. Because Musanella said if Robinhood hits $48, there it is on the screen. If it hits $48, he's going to buy everybody a Martyn Lucas day trader mug from my shop, which launches tomorrow. And he's going to do it as well because we had 18 people come into the show. Give their names in this morning. So 18 people are going to get a mug because I know it's going to go to 48. When those wallets come out, I'm sure it will pop, and I'll be out. Be honest, I will absolutely be out. I won't be hanging around. Dr. Nathan Smith is here, our celebrity, Dr. Nathan Smith. If you want to know about all things pharmaceutical and doctory stuff, then Dr. Nathan Smith is the man to speak to. I'd like to introduce you to one of my friends today. If everyone could give him a warm welcome, he's new. Have you clicked subscribe and rung the bell? I'm talking about Tom Zipton. There's one of my friends today. He's just joined us, and give us a thumbs up. We've got 7 likes. Let's get it up to 8. What type of payments do you take? Everything. Like you, probably. Everything. I've got credit card. I've got everything. Think of a payment system, and I have it. All right, fantastic. But we haven't done it yet, Musanella. It has to get to 48. We've not earned it yet. But Zip, if you could introduce yourself to the team, you really want to talk to Dr. Nathan Smith, and you want to talk to Musanella. These are big traders, and the queen of self-braiding. I think Martin will transfer to us via Bitcoin. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, that's right, actually. It's a very good point. Yeah, just send it in Bitcoin. Dear. I've never been paid in Bitcoin yet. That'd be kind of cool. Wouldn't it? Wouldn't that be cool? Why not do that? Right, Virgin Galactic's up 2% now, and we're watching it now. Tesla has been trading sideways all day. Let's we go. Yes, I subscribed and liked. What, only 7 likes? Get those likes up. Zip, this channel is brand new. It's only been out, where's it? We've been trading 6 months. When did I start my channel? 5 months, 4 months? Not even that. This channel was it 9 weeks old when I went away, right? And I've been offline for a month. Zip, this channel is only, I think, like 10 weeks old this week. I haven't been broadcasting for a month, as you know. I've been away. And we've gone from 0 subscribers to 1,600 in just those 9 weeks. This is a brand new channel. 100,000 people a day watch me. We had a Zoom meeting earlier, and I was telling them about it because I'm on 20 platforms right now. I'm through my website. I'm through, if you go onto my Twitter account, you'll see I'm live there right now. You'll see I'm on TikTok right now. You'll see I'm on Facebook pages and profiles, LinkedIn. I'm all over the blimmin' place. Hi there, Martin. Welcome back. Ace Angelo is here in the house. Fantastic. Great to have you here. Wonderful stuff. All right. Good stuff. I like it. Coke down today. Disney up slightly today. I missed a great move today. GGPI. Did you miss that one? I'm missing moves all the time. Don't worry about it, mate. You can't get them all. As long as you're growing, it doesn't matter, does it? Lucid Group is up today. How am I doing? I'm doing great. I'm very, very happy to be back with you. We're watching Robinhood as well because Muzanella is going to buy us all a Martyn Lucas day trader mug when it hits 48. When it hits 48, this is the position right now on the app. There you go, all looking pretty good, right? But what we're looking at now, though, is Harpoon just dropped back slightly. Just noticed that. What we're looking at the moment, though, is what is going to happen with SPCE. If we go to the charts, you can actually see, I'll go over to it now, there we go. You can see there's some buying power coming in. The volume's pretty good. Let me have a look on SPCE today on the app. I love the way Robinhood does it on the app, by the way. It is 9 million today, 9 million trades. So the volume is a bit, average is 10. So considering it's 14:42 in the afternoon, that's not too bad. It's earnings report day, but you know this stock has had a beating, so it's not doing a great deal at the moment. We know that, but that's okay. All my friends watching me on TikTok, you need to come into YouTube. You can't see nothing on TikTok. I get hundreds and hundreds of people on TikTok watch me. Come into YouTube. The link's in the profile if you want to see the trading screens. All right, I need to put a sign down here, right? A sign saying, come on to YouTube. That's what I need to do. I need to put a little sign down there, don't I? I'll work on that. Right, let's go back to the main trade screen. Let's have a look. Oh, I got some interesting news that you might find as well here today. I'm going to bring this up for you. Ace, it's great to have you back. When is the Piano Man live? Straight after this show. This show will finish in 45 minutes. Half an hour after that, I shall be doing my music show. You want to join me, do you? You want to make a request? I'll show you how you do it, okay? Here we go. If you have a look here right now, this is the Day Trader channel. This is where you are right now, okay? If you scroll down here, see the Martyn Lucas channel right there? If you click on that, and you can subscribe to that and see the upcoming live stream right there. So this will be this afternoon, all right? Just after I finish here, I'll be back doing my live music this afternoon. I can't wait. It's been way too long, all right? So if you want to do that, that's how you get to there. And that's straight after this show. All right, we got some interesting news. Let me share it with you. Here we go.
Upgraded Tesla with a price target that is now the highest on the street, $1,400 a share. We've made it our call of the day. Dr. J, you own Tesla calls, not to mention the extraordinary moves that you've made today in a number of EV-related.
There we go. We're raising the price of Tesla now to 1,400. Not surprised at all. It's going to be 4,000 in a couple of years' time. So Tesla is now moving up as well. Great. Let's hear more from this. I'm about to grab a beer. Get ready for the beers. I'll have my beer in 1 hour, 15 minutes on the Martyn Lucas Show. So join me for that.
Related stocks, but tell me about Tesla first, and then I'll ask you about these others.
Sure. Scott, you and I talked last week, and I think it might have been Tuesday and Friday that we just talked about that rolling up when somebody takes a profit, sells that level, and then buys a higher strike price. 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,100, all of those surpassed as Tesla surged to that new all-time high.
There we go. I've got people now just joining me on TikTok. Super Crew says, have a great day. We love you, sir. Thank you ever so much, RoboCop. You're missing all the show, though. You need to be over on YouTube. I get this really big audience on TikTok. Hit the icon just here. Hit the icon again, and then the YouTube link. It will bring you onto my trading screens. You'll see everything. Watching a video right now from CNBC about Tesla's new price. And come into the chat. Talk to my traders.
Of those, by the way, along the way, a lot of new highs were hit. So I kept taking profits in Tesla. It is now my second largest position. Microsoft is my largest position. Apple fell to number 3. And that's because of the market cap gains of Microsoft and Tesla, not because I...
Exactly the same. I've sold my position in Apple and moved it into Tesla. That's got nothing to do with Tesla's not Apple's not a great stock. Nothing to do with that at all. What it's to do with is a better opportunity right now in Tesla. And this guy apparently done the same. This is some big hedge funder, some expert, and he's been copying me. Has he been watching the Day Trader show? Maybe he has.
Was cutting positions in Apple. But as far as other stocks in that, the bill that got passed, Scott, oh my gosh, EVs just on fire, whether it's Lucid, which I already owned, or NIO, which I already owned as well. And they're in that Tesla competition, if you will. But then Volta, VLTA, this is smart media charging stations. It was up 48% since the beginning of November. Took profits on that one and exited. But two others that I added to that I'd been in before, but then started accumulating bigger positions, ChargePoint, CHPT, and...
Ace just said, Tesla is killing it. Yes, it is. Shall we just go over to the trading screen just for a minute and have a look? Tesla is down today because, of course, the rumor about Elon Musk selling his 10%, but I couldn't care less. If he sells it, great. I will pick up a bargain. Absolutely. And as you heard this guy just talking about Lucid. Lucid is now, this is my position. Look, you can see I'm up 29% on Lucid. I won't be taking profits at this. I think it has a long, long way to go. Robinhood is moving up. Get ready, Muzanella is going to buy everybody a mug. That's coming up. I'm sure it's going to happen. So get ready for that. Everyone's going to get a day trader mug on Muzanella.
Blink charging, BLNK, both of those, and they're up now 22%. Just basically since last Thursday, or maybe it was Wednesday last week, Scott. The flow of money into those names and QuantumScape, QS. This is a lithium player. I've talked about the smaller one that I'm on the advisory board of, which is American Battery Tech, ABML. But QuantumScape, boy, a 16% move today, Scott. And I think there's a lot more gas in the tank there, or since it's an EV, I guess, a lot more lithium.
Yeah.
And this one, Scott, big upside call buying in QS. I would have used it for unusual, but because we're talking about EVs here, I had to use it here. And this one just on fire.
Very, very exciting stuff. Very, very, very exciting. We're loving all this. It's great news. We know it's great news. Let's look at the Lucid chart. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about SPCE right now as well, though. Of course, we've got the earning report coming up very, very shortly. Very, very exciting. We've got Robinhood. When this gets to 48, we all get a free mug. Right. Everybody in the chat, we've gone a bit quiet for the minute. We've got a friend of mine who joined us today, Tom Zipton. Tom, are you still in the chat? Are you still with us? And if you are, say hello to all my team, introduce yourself, and I want everyone to welcome him in. He's new. We were talking to him earlier, and he was buying some. He's an investor. He's got a decent portfolio, and please do share it with us. Ace, how have you been? It's great to have you here. Like the family picture. Shall I share that with everybody? I like that. Let me bring it onto the screen. There you go. There's the family picture of Ace. Love that. And there we go. Didn't I do your, wasn't it your son, your 5-year-old son? Didn't I do his birthday? Was that right? Am I remembering that correctly? I know it was a month ago, so yeah, excuse me, but I think that's correct. I think that's correct. Anyway, I digress. So let's go back to Robinhood. We're looking at it right now. Yes, sir. I thought so. Right. Bitcoin is now 65, just below 66,000. Of course, tonight we're looking at... I thought it was. That's correct, he said. SPCE is just moving sideways now. Yes, I am. I'm somewhat on a hold position starting 2017 with Ethereum. Well, we were talking Bitcoin earlier on. This is my position right now. Now, it's currently 14% of my portfolio. At one point, it was nearly 25%. And I took some profits. And again, I reiterate, I didn't do that because I don't believe in Bitcoin. Eventually, I will own no Bitcoin. Eventually, I will sell my Bitcoin. Because at the end of the day, you don't make any money by just holding all the same stocks and assets. They just grow and then they can shrink again. You only make money when you obtain more of something. In other words, if you get more shares or more pieces of a coin or what have you. So as your portfolio grows or your assets grow, you sell to make a profit, to buy something else to watch it grow. So where I started out with, I think, 2 Tesla shares, I now have, what do I have now? 7 Tesla shares. By the fact I keep reinvesting my profits. That's why the portfolio keeps growing. That way, if the portfolio, we had a correction month or a bad month, my portfolio could drop by 24%, and I'd still be where I was when I took all my money out. So you know, you got to take profits. Don't hold on to everything forever. Everything has a price. At some point, everybody will sell everything. I mean, because what's the point? There's no point just having it infinite unless you just don't need the money. And I mean, for me, this is my pension. This is my future. That's what I'm doing it for, to, you know, pay for things, not just to have it sit in there, you know. Anyway, Tom is still here. Great. Now I want everyone to introduce themselves to Tom. So tell me, everybody in the live chat, what country or city you are from. And Tom, tell us about yourself as well. Love you to chat with the group. Our numbers are a bit down at the moment. As I say, I've been gone for a long time, and the algorithm isn't showing everybody my show yet. It'll take a couple of weeks to get it back rolling again. This is what happens when you start to build a channel and then take a break. Dallas, Texas, same place as me. There we go. Ace, take the profit and put it into new potential stocks. Absolutely, that's right. Florida in the United States of America. There we go. Hood has to close over 38. Has to close over 38. Why does it have to close over 38? There we go. It's up 38 now. Why does it have to close over 38? Our target for you is 48, right, to get the free mugs. But what's have you got some positions closing today? Is that what you're talking about? Maybe that's what he's talking about. Musanella. Let me bring Zip's comment on the screen. There we go. I'll do a little bit of promotion for Zip. I got started with hemp CBD business. We were going to use a token in Japan to not have credit card fees in exchange of money. Great idea. Great idea. A new support level. Okay. See, some people on this channel, some people in this show actually talk about support lines and 1 day averages and 50-day averages and 30-day averages. You know I don't do any of that stuff. You know I don't. It's not my thing at all. But I'm glad that we have people in here doing that. It has to close over 38. Has to close over 38. Well, what do you reckon? It's very, very close right now. If we go back to the chart, and it could very well do that. We're looking at SPCE. Let me change over to Hood right now. There we go. Bit of buying power coming in now. Some good, reasonable volume. We're looking at the MACD line there. You can see it's crossed over again. There we go. The new support level, that's what Musanella's looking out for. Look, 37.99. We're going to do it, right? We'll do it when that wallet comes out. But who knows? They've been promising it for ages. But we know it's imminent now. We know it's. I would say with the pressure they're under now and what they're announcing on Twitter, we're week, 2 weeks most. I'll catch you later, Martyn. Have fun, Ace. It's great to have you here. Love to all your family. Thank you very much for being here, Ace. You take care of yourself. Thanks for smashing the like button. I'm saying that. I don't know if he's done it or not, but you know. I just want to say thank you anyway, just in case you didn't do it. In case you did do it. Anyway, all good. So let's go back over to 37.99. We're going to hold that. I'll catch you later, Martyn. Thank you. Love to all your family. And whenever you need a party, he did. He did. Fantastic. Should we give him a big round of applause? Just for the hell of it. I'm in a good mood today. I feel like I need to blow the air horn, but I need a reason. I can't just blow it for the sake of it. Right, as you can see, I've got my buying power for Wednesday. This is to go into this $5,300 here. This is to go into Rivian. Now, some people are telling me don't invest in Rivian right now off the bat. Shouldn't do that apparently, but I'm not listening. I'm not listening. I've made my decision. I'm going to invest in Rivian, a couple of $1,000 and then catch a dip and do it again. That's my feeling on it right now. Let's look at my position today. We are now up 695, 1.24. We'll be asking you very, very shortly to put your scores in. Who is the best day trader of the day? This morning it was, of course, Dr. Nathan Smith. So who's it going to be tonight? Virgin Galactic now 1.59. We've got some more interesting news. Let me go over to it right now. Let me get rid of that one and replace it. Here's an interesting one for you. Let's bring it up on the screen right now. Here we go. This is an interesting one. Hopefully you'll like this one. Here we go.
Dan Ives, Managing Director of Equity Research at Wedbush. Dan, welcome. So actually, Robert just answered one of the questions I was going to have, which is, was there a risk of Elon Musk controlling less of this company in the future? It sounds like he could actually end up controlling more of it.
Yeah, I mean, he's still going to own anywhere from 23 to 25% of Tesla. And I think going into this, I mean, investors thought that he would sell potentially 5-6% of his ownership, just given the tax bill coming due. 10%, and of course the bizarro soap opera poll over the weekend. That's just another chapter for Musk. But I think at the end of the day, it continues to be a containable amount. I still view it as a blip of the radar.
You know, he had even more bizarre tweets that many would say raise the risk of regulatory crackdown at a time when full self-driving cars are out there on the streets for, you know, regulators to crack down any time if they want to. But this is also his advertising genius, isn't it? He talks all the time about how he can literally sell the cars for less because Tesla doesn't have to advertise.
Yeah, this is a company that doesn't formally advertise. And, you know, part of the cachet is Musk, and that's how Tesla's built the brand globally. And what you're seeing now in terms of the stock, it's just more and more that adoption. I think Hertz, Uber, as well as just the margin story from 3Q. Those are the two linchpins that obviously crossed the $1 trillion mark, but we don't think it stops here. I mean, I believe in part of this $5 trillion green tidal wave, Tesla still in that early innings of playing out. So that's why I think more and more investors continue to have a strong appetite for Tesla shares like you're seeing today, despite, you know, the bears yelling fire into your crowd theater.
They were down.
There we go. I disappeared for a second then. Did anybody miss me? Hodl came from a spelling mistake on Hold'em. Yes, hold with your dear, your life depends upon it. Hodl. A lot of people use that expression, hold like your life depends on it. Indeed, indeed, indeed. I had to just run then for a second, but I'm back. Anyway, let's go back over to, I got some other news I want to bring in for you right now. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic is now moving again. We've got some action again. If I go over to the chart, we can see what's going on.
At this point, do you? So what is?
Where it is, SPCE. There we go. We got some buying coming in once again. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Of course, we're building up now to the after hours earnings report. I do expect Virgin Galactic to drop back again, though. I'm going to tell you that. I do expect it to drop back again because there's going to be no good news. This is why it's not massively going up, but because people are trying to trade, people are trying to make money on this right now. You can see what's happening, but there's going to be no great news today. We know there can't be. We know there can't be. So let's have a look now. Okay, we're in the after hours. It's 3 o'clock now. Let's ring that bell. The bell has gone. Okay, we're in the after hours. All right. And if I go over to the app right now, you will see that we've got a little bit of action. Let me go to the app. You can see here in the after hours. You can see now, right, we're going to watch that now. It's very, very, very slightly up, but nothing really to work about. We do have the earnings report coming out imminently. Here we go. All right, here it is. Virgin Galactic, it's out. Well, no, it's not. It's not. We're looking at it here. Let me bring the screen up for you and show you. We're expecting to have lost 0.28 per share, and the actual will be announced shortly. In fact, it's happening now. Preview the earnings call is happening now, so we shall see very, very soon what it's going to be. So we'll keep our eye on the stock, and of course, if the earnings is up, and I can't see how it can be, then the stock could, remember, the fundamentals haven't changed. We know the position of Virgin. We know the situation. I can't see for a minute that it's going to increase, because, what it does now will just be what stocks do, right? We get good news, stock goes down. We get bad news, stock goes down, and the other way around. So anything can happen, but I can't see where the good news is going to come from. We don't have any. But for me, look, I'm down on this stock. I'm happy with my position. I know it's going to go to $60 a share. I know it's going to hit $100 a share later next year. So I've only got, 21% is quite a lot. I would have liked to have reduced it to 10%. If we could get a pop here of 15, 20%, I would sell some of it and so on. But I don't think there's much going to happen here today, to be honest. So that's fine. We've got 9 likes now. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Let me go back over to the main portfolio. So we're just taking a bit of a dip there. That was bound to happen because Virgin is now dropping slightly. Bitcoin is up and down. It had a great day today, up 1%, 66. Virgin Galactic just dropping back. Any minute now, we will start getting this earnings report coming through. The earnings report will come through. If you're watching me over on TikTok, hi Martin, I am Baby Games. How are you? LAWFC, lovely to have you with me. If you're over there on TikTok, tap the screen as fast as you can, like 2 fingers like that, and give me 1,000 likes, completely free. And if you do that, it really helps the channel. Really, really does. What is the score? Okay, the score today for everyone. Right, I am up 1.14%. Let's get a score in. I bet Musanella. I am up 1.14. What? We're identical. Are you kidding me? Look, 1.14. You're up 1.14. What's the chance of that? I mean, seriously? That's crazy. So anyway, let's see. Musanella, what's your score? We all know it's going to be like 8%, something like that. We are tied. Indeed, we are tied. Let me see what Musanella comes back with. I'm sure it's going to be 8%, and we're all going to look silly, but that's okay. Virgin Galactic, waiting for the earnings report. I'll keep looking. I'll keep checking it. Review the earnings call. Once that refreshes, we'll know. It's interesting. Testers dropping now. Now, here we go. Tester third. Musanella. Okay, let's do it. All right, Musanella is the winner. Let's bring it up on the screen. 13.65%. There is his score. Let's give him the air horn. Congratulations. Absolutely fantastic. Well done indeed. Musnell up 13%. He's killing it, isn't he? Musnell is killing it. Oh, we got people there tapping the screen on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. Really do appreciate that. Blowing up my channel. If you're watching me on TikTok, come over to YouTube. You're missing all the fun. You can't see my trading screens. I don't know what are hood contracts. A contract, Dr. Smith, is, as you remember, as you know, is 100 shares. And you can do a call or a put, so you can predict the stock price going up and the stock price going down. But you have to pick a certain amount by a certain date. So it's predicting the future. It takes a lot of balls to do it. You have to be very confident, and you have to be able to read the future. I'm afraid I'm not that smart. I believe a stock's going up, but can I predict it by a certain date? I don't know about that. But Virgin Galactic now is tanking. There we go. I'll show you on my iPhone. There we go. Look. There we go. It's dropping off now. 1.46 in after hours. There it goes. I said this would happen because throughout the day it's been rising. Thank you. You guys bring the best out of me. I'm glad you're back, and I mean it. Musnell is great. It's great to be back, and I'm so excited about this channel growing. We were getting between 10 and 20 subscribers a day the last couple of weeks, and then we took a break, and obviously now it's got to pick up the momentum. It's not about you guys, it's about YouTube showing people the video. So, you know, that's bound to happen. Right, we're watching the earnings report for Virgin Galactic. That's good news. It's bounced back up again. No news yet. Do you do this every day? Zip, I do. Every morning for the opening bell and every evening for the closing bell. And what you've got is, and I really mean this, you've got some amazing people. Dr. Nathan Smith is a bit of a celebrity. He is quite a famous doctor online. He's had a lot of coverage online. Very well respected, Dr. Nathan Smith. Musnell is a great trader. Trades huge, makes huge trades. Like really, really big, and does really, really well, and he's a great guy. And we got some wonderful people in here. A lot of my team aren't here today because I'm new back, and this is my first day in over 4 weeks. So yes, I do the opening bell and I do the closing bell. The opening bell is 8 a.m. Central Time, and Martyn Redding is here. Martyn Redding is here. Martyn, how are you? Good to have you here, mate. Welcome. Welcome to the new studio. It's all looking fresh and clean and all the rest of it. And so I do the opening bell, the closing bell, Monday to Friday. Yep, this is my full-time gig. This is how I live. And then I have a beer at 4 p.m. Central Time. And many of my traders, not everybody, but many of my traders do come in and join me for the after show party. And we have a beer and a few requests. We do a bit of music. Gotta go. Zipty Zipton. Take care, my friend. Oh, Bill's here from Canada. Here he is. Here's Bill from Canada, our war veteran. He's just arrived. You've just seen Tom Zipton pop in to say hello. Martyn Redding is here. The team's all here. We've got 12 likes. We're off and running. Bitcoin is now moving up again. SPCE. Oh, Virgin Galactic taking a right spike. What's going on as the earnings come out? Why has that done that? Look at that, something going on with Hood. And we've got Hood as well. We've got some action. What's going on there? Robinhood is just tanked. Okay, I'm okay if it does that because I will buy some more. I will buy some more. I'm okay with that. Wow. Virgin Galactic's pumping. Virgin Galactic is absolutely pumping. Look at this. Up 5%, 6%. Look at Virgin Galactic, everybody. Bill, look at this. There could be a position here to move. You might see me trade live now. This is a big, big push. Big, big push. See messages. I can't right now. I can't right now, Bill. We've got a lot going on. Robinhood. I will buy more Robinhood if that continues to drop. Go, 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 go. Okay, here we go. We are up now, 57,000. Space up 5%, and we are pumping. Okay, here we go. This could be a big, big buy in to push the stock up, and then a big sell. We're waiting for something to happen here. I'm down just 6% now. I'm down just 6%. Could I make a profit today? I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this to happen, but this could. I have no idea what's going to happen. I did not expect that to go up so quickly. That is a big pump. Tesla just trading sideways. Apple down. Coca-Cola is down. Disney is flat. VTI, Google, is pretty flat. Rolls-Royce, pretty flat. Boeing, pretty down. Lucid doing great today. And Robinhood has just taken a drop. I'm okay with that. That doesn't bother me in the slightest. It's not below. I mean, I'm down 0.45%. I'm not going to touch that. But wow, Virgin Galactic. And we're still pumping. We're still pumping on Virgin Galactic. Let's keep it in our mind. There it is. We're up now 4%. It's just pulling back slightly. Let's go over to whoa. There it is. Let me go over to the chart. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that huge volume just come in there. Okay, if you're watching this there on TikTok, you need to be on YouTube. You're missing all the action. This is great. We're loving it. Absolutely fantastic. We're watching SPCE go through the roof on the after hours. But remember, this will be temporary. I do expect it to drop down after this. There's no other good news unless someone out there can Google for me and find out why it's pumping. Everybody like the video. I want to see everybody in the chat, right, go, like Dr. Nathan Smith, right? Let's bring us some luck. Everybody in the chat right now, right, go. Dr. Smith's already done it, so he's in the clear, but everybody else needs to do it. Let's have a look now. We are pumping 4.53%. This takes my portfolio over 57,000 a few seconds ago. That makes me up 2%. Go. Hello. We got a new member to the party. I can't pronounce the name, but give us a subscribe and ring the bell. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very, very much indeed. And give us a thumbs up. We're a brand new channel. And what we do is unique than all other channels. We are here to support each other, and we don't sell you anything. We don't influence anything, but we all learn and grow from everybody. This portfolio started out at $5,000, and I've grown it from itself. I don't put any more money in this portfolio. I just trade from this portfolio and grow it. Its profits have all come from here. Okay, here we are now up 3.62. It's just dropped back very, very slightly. And I do have a video, a link just being shared with me from Bill. Greece, my friend, already subscribed and liked. You are amazing. Keep it hot. Great stuff. We got a guy here from Greece. I played in Athens once. I love the place. Okay, let me have a look. Bill has shared something with us. Let me bring it up here. Richard Branson, Virgin turns to SPAC to raise cash. Okay, what's that? Is that what's pumping it? I don't know if that's necessarily good news. I don't know. I'm not so sure that's the best news in the world. But I mean, whatever. Let's have a look. Let's bring it into the main screen. Let me take you over now to this. This is what Bill just sent in via the live chat. Okay, here it is. Let me bring it up for you. This is what I've just been sent. This is breaking news, everybody. Let's have a look at it. There we go. This is it. Richard Branson, Virgin, turns to SPAC to raise cash. Okay, is this a good thing? Well, certainly the stock likes it. Richard Branson's Virgin Group has floated a special purpose acquisition company in New York, raising $480 million to expand the empire that has been hobbled by the pandemic and join a parade of offerings known as blank check listings. Virgin said the new entity called VG Acquisition Corp will be used to merge. Hang on a minute, is this new? No. This is out of date. Bill, this is from 2020. This is from 2020. I thought that didn't make sense when they were talking about raising, because I thought this is from 2000. Thank you for sending it in. I should have checked it first, but that's from 2020. Let me just double check that. I'm sure I got that right. Yeah, that's from, yes, updated 2020. Let me just clear that off the board. There we go. Thanks for sharing that with me, Bill. But it's a bit out of date. Moves now. The conference call is at 5 p.m. Cash position remains strong at 720 million SPC. Thank you very much. William Wang is here. Last year's news. You're absolutely right. That was sent in. I did take a look at it. Sorry I missed the date. That was absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. We appreciate you sending it in. Virgin Galactic Holdings reported quarter losses of 0.32. Right. Let me have a look. Virgin. Let me get back to it. 0.32. If it's 0.32, that is a bit worse. That's what I expect. They've not made any money. Can't have done. So if we look at it here, they were estimated 0.28. Martyn has just sent this in. Virgin Galactic Holdings reported quarterly losses of 0.32 per share, which missed the analyst consensus. There we go. That's exactly what we expected. I did not expect this to make any money. That's absolutely fine. But nevertheless, I wasn't prepared to sell at that position anyway. That's good. Bit of a crazy moment there. I got Bill sending me news from last year. I got information coming in from William Wang, our friend from Greece. Bill has sent me another one. What has he sent me this time? Let me have a look. It's still rising. They like it. Whatever it is doing good. So let me have a look. My portfolio is now up 1.66. Let's keep our eye on Tesla though. We want to make sure that we're keeping our eye on Tesla at the same time, down very slightly. Robinhood as well is dropping a bit more. I will buy some more if this continues to drop, because now I've invested, I know it's going to do well with the wallets. I will actually buy a bit more. If that drops another few percent, I will. But that's not, of course, what Muzanella wants to hear, of course. He doesn't want to hear that. But hey, if it drops Muzanella and I buy, I'm going to buy so much, it's going to pump the stock. You know it's going to go back up again. One day I'll have that power. But today, I do not have that power. Right. Bill has sent me some more information. Let me open it up. Let me have a look. Is this from today? Let me have a look. Virgin Galactic is reporting another loss as it delays commercial service. This is what we expected. This is no surprise. I have plenty of time. You do indeed. So let me in. Let me buy some stock, and that's good. All right. Do you know what? This is interesting. We now know that Virgin Galactic has lost more money. We know it has, because I'm reading the reports coming out now. Let me go over to the app, and let me bring in this report sent in from Bill from Canada. Here we goes. And this one, thank you guys. This one here is up to date. I'm not going to shoot myself in the foot this time. This is good. Virgin Galactic is seen. Report. Here we go. There we go. Look at this. Virgin Galactic is seen reporting another loss as it delays commercial service. No surprise. We knew that this was coming. Not at all concerned. Virgin Galactic is set to report another quarterly loss on Monday as it delays the start of its commercial service. All of that is good. We know about the delays. No problem there. Hood tweeted experienced a data security incident. Oh. Hood themselves tweeted that, did they? Hood tweeted they had a problem with their service. Oh, come on, guys. Why would you do that? I mean, I suppose we could argue transparency is a good thing, but really, just fix the problem. Don't promote it. Hang on. Let me increase this light a little bit. There we go. Oh, never mind. They announced to the world they messed up. I love that. Yeah, well, I announce all the time that I make mistakes, but at the end of the day, guys, you know, it doesn't matter. I've got no stop price, right? But flipping heck. Right, in that case then, we know there's going to affected some accounts. Oh, did it? Well, my account looks good, right? The one thing you got to do with everything online now is set up the maximum security. As you see, when I trade, I get what do they call it? Two-factor authentication. I have to log in and send a text at the same time, and you've seen me do it. So you know, take advantage of all the security measures. Very, very important, that is. Right. So on that basis, I already know then the stock is going to drop. I know this. They're losing more money. They haven't yet announced it on their earnings report, so not everybody has read it. But it will happen then, right? So I could sell out this position now, take $1,000 loss, but then buy back when it drops. I could do that, because it will drop. Loving my Any and Riot today. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at that. This is Martyn. Martyn has got a position here. It's Any, A-N-Y. Let's open it up. Let's have a look at it for Martyn. This is Martyn's position. This is Any. You are up, no surprise, it's up 10% there. And what about Riot? He's also in Riot as well. That's another one. This is Sphere. Very interesting. If you've just joined the show, smash the like button, please. We've got friends watching us. Oh, check the date. Check the date. What's happening? Ha, ha, ha. Yeah. Yes, my friends over there on TikTok, you can't even see. How can you even comment, check the date? You can't see anything. You've got to come to YouTube. The link is here. Click the profile, and the YouTube link is right behind it. Then you can come on and say, check the date. Have you smashed the like button and have you subscribed to the show? There we go. So Sphere doing very, very well. Any moves with the crypto market? Not for me today. Bitcoin, it's up. It's moving. It's up 1.37 today, but I've made no trades in that, and I won't be until it gets to about 90, 100,000. Then I might sell and make some profit, and then reintroduce myself. But right now, no. I like Any for flipping. Let's have a look. Any. This is Sphere 3D. This is what Muznella is talking about. See message. I got a message here from Bill. Holding. Okay, this is. I'm going to share this with everybody. I know you don't mind. This is Bill's position. He wants to share with the group. So let me share it with you, everybody. There we go. This is my iPhone now. Bring it up. This is Bill's position. All right. He just texted me. Apple. There we go. Lucid. He's up 37%. Yeah, there we go. He's got 5 shares of Lucid. Microsoft got 1. And SPCE as well. There we go. Thank you very much for that, Bill. Thanks for sharing that with us. Appreciate it very much indeed. Good man. If anybody wants to share their positions like that, that's how you can do it. You can text it in and share it with everyone. What else did you say you were looking at? Riot as well. Riot. So let's go into that. R-I-O-T. Riot blockchain. Oh, hello. And up 16% today. No surprise. Thanks, Bill. There you are. There you go. Thank you very much for sharing all that with us. I love when everyone shares everything. Right, Bitcoin is moving up nicely. Let's have a look at. We've got a couple of minutes, so I'm going to bring in. Where is it? I want to bring in this final trades very, very quickly for you. Let's get this into the show.
For a
Here
final
we go.
trade, because I got to bounce.
Dix.
All right, Liz.
Financials.
Doc.
Skills, SKLZ, bought upside calls now.
Okay, and Joe Terranova finally.
Fortinet.
there you go. That was short and sweet. There's a few trades there for your final trades of the day. Okay, I hope you got those. Let's go back to the trading screen. Let's have a look. So Virgin Galactic just dropping back slightly now. We now know that the money is down. We knew that anyway. No surprise there. But the market hasn't reacted to it yet, but the market knows it's going to drop. I don't see a big drop, to be perfectly honest. I don't see a big deal with it. So I'm not going to, I don't want to sell my position right now. I'm going to let that sit there. I've got enough on hand. Remember, the reason why you sell is to move into better positions, but I've got 10% of my portfolio, or just under, sitting there, in the buying power, ready for Wednesday. Dr. Smith pointed out today, it's not tomorrow, but it's Wednesday, that Rivian go public. Who's buying into Rivian on Wednesday? Anybody? What's everyone think about it? Is everyone buying into Rivian on Wednesday? I certainly am. Only because of the Amazon trucks, the vans, not the truck they've got, because I think that's not enough. That's not enough. I think it's the actual Amazon deal that's worth everything to them. Anyway, that's my theory on it, and I'm sticking with it. Lucid moving sideways now, not a lot going on, and Robinhood jumped up and back down again. It's not enough for me to buy anymore. Not enough. That will need to drop, 5-10% for me to buy another. I would buy another 20 shares. I would increase my position to 40 shares if that drops by 5 to 10%. Somewhere in that region. I'm not going to touch it until then. That's absolutely fine. I can't believe they announced. God. They do some stupid things. Never mind. I guess, you could argue transparency is a good thing. I like transparency, but I don't know. When you're trading on the stock market, I don't know. Just fix the problem. Don't promote it. Don't promote it. 4,000. Bill said 4,726, up 51.58, 1.1%. Okay. Did we get a winner today? Yeah, we did, didn't we? It was Muzanella. I forgot. Of course it was. Yes. I've got 3 minutes left of the show, and then I've got to get ready for the drive home, as you all know. The drive home show. If you've not joined me, if you've tuned in today and you're wondering what I'm talking about, the drive home show is where we have a beer, celebrate with some music, live in my studio. You see my studio behind me there? There we go. I'll be there singing and playing the piano and having some fun with a beer in my hand. That's coming up in half an hour from now. If you want to be involved in that, let me show you how you can get involved in that. Go over to the channel where you are right now. This is where you are right now. See here? Click on Martyn Lucas. And there you go. And then here we go. This is the Drive Home show right there. Upcoming live streams, and that's where I will be. Go over there now and click waiting. Let's see if anyone does it. All right, that's where I'll be for your live request, live music in just half an hour or so, just after the show here. Okay. All right, Shibu. I'm getting a question about Shibu and Doge. I don't invest in any of those, only Bitcoin. It's the only asset you really need, crypto-wise. So, no, I'm not interested in any of those. Muzanella, I don't. About tomorrow with Hood dropping. What are you saying there? I don't. About tomorrow with Hood dropping. Sorry, I was late today. Was watching AMC. They're reporting a bit. Martin, don't apologise. Great to have you. No. Oh, I don't know about tomorrow with Hood dropping options. Indeed, I see. Yeah. But it's all about that. It's about that wallet. I wouldn't be concerned. It's going to come back. It needs that wallet. It's a simple in and out. As far as I'm concerned, when the wallet comes out, there's going to be a lot of interest in Robinhood. I know there is, and then I'll just sell out. It's a very precarious stock. It worries me. It does. The way Vlad Tenev behaves, some of the things he does, I don't think are in the best interest of the company. Let's just put it that way, shall we? What's SPCE doing? SPCE is up. That's all right. It's up 1.56 in the after hours. I'm okay with that. Tesla just trading down a little bit today. You are correct. Yeah. He is what he is, right? He's not the best. He's not the best asset for the company. He's a bit of a crazy man. Bitcoin and Ethereum doing good. Peter Brazier is here. Hello, Peter Brazier. Been a while. We've got a new platform. We've got a new studio. I hope you like it. Pretty cool, right? Just getting ready for the after-hour show, the drive home show in half an hour. So I've got literally seconds to go before I end the show. As you can see, we've got the smoke coming in now to the show. We're getting ready. Look, we're getting ready for the after-hours party. I hope you will come and join me on the Martyn Lucas channel. The link is on the homepage of this channel. You can't miss it. I hope you'll come and join us. Dave Roberts is here. Crypto Dummy here. Here he is. One of my friends. Crypto Dummy. We're going to use that from now on. Hey, Dave Roberts, you've got some great traders here. Some very big traders. Muzanella trades multi-option contracts. Martin Redding. Bill is our war veteran from Canada. Peter Brazier is here as well. Dr. Nathan Smith, our celebrity. Wonderful guy, Dr. Nathan Smith. And we've got a good team. We're a bit quiet today because I've been away a month on basically what's happening. The algorithm isn't showing many people the channel. But overall, today, we're not quite 100,000 across all 20 platforms. We're about 94,000 at the moment across my website, multiple Facebook pages, groups. TikTok is a big audience. Twitter, and of course, YouTube as well. But this channel is only a few, 10 weeks old this week because we took a month off? I think it probably is. Dave Roberts and the Queen of Self-Braiding. I am back. There she goes. She is back. Dave Roberts is here. A new guy to investing. Dave, you've just missed the show. We've just come to the end of the show. We are just finishing up now. We've been watching Bitcoin, but Virgin Galactic as well. After hours, it popped a little bit. We know it's losing money. We expect it to be. That shouldn't be a surprise for anyone. I wouldn't be surprised if it drops away in the morning, but this is going to be $100 a share, Virgin Galactic, so I'm not concerned. I'll watch replay. Cool! Dave Roberts is watching the replay. Just rewind it right now. Start watching it. Have you clicked the like button? Dave, you need to introduce yourself to all my team here and tell everybody where you're from. I've literally got to go. I've probably got like 10 seconds. I shouldn't be here. I need to get ready for the after hours show. We're all ready, as you can see. The studio is all pumped and ready to rock and roll. Let's have a look. What did they say here? What did how to trade semis? Shall we look into that?
The investment committee, so everybody's going to answer. It comes from Daniel in Sacramento, California. I'm already long on quality tech, and he lists Microsoft and Adobe, Apple and Google and Facebook, and want to get into semis. So would you recommend buying individual companies, NXPI, NVIDIA, AMD, for example, or buy a mutual fund or ETF like the FSELX?
Do you know what? That's new to me. I've not heard of that. I will study that and bring that back in another day. But we haven't got time for that right now. We've got to close up the show. Thanks ever so much, everyone, for being here. It's been another great day. Thank you for all for being here today to have us back on season 2 of the Day Trader. We were that close from being monetized of the channel in just 9 weeks that we were doing the show. I took a break. We've got to get it going again now. We've got 1,600 subscribers from 0 to 1,600 in just 9 weeks. This is our 10th week, I believe that's right. And I reckon about a month we could be up to the 4,000 watch hours. See you tomorrow. Take care of yourselves, everybody. Let me go to the end screen. This is where I'm going to be in a few minutes' time for the live party. Come and join us. But have a great day. I'm going to go and grab a beer now, get ready to celebrate, because it's been a great day today. We've made lots of money and we're repositioning ourselves. We've got some new friends. We've got music. We've got Dave Roberts here. We've got the Queen of Self-Braiding. She's back. We're promoting her channel. Want to help her grow. Peter Brazier is here, one of our friends. Lots of our friends are returning. Thanks for all being back. And I look forward to seeing you. Oh, we've got 16 likes right now. We're building up again. I'll see you back in just 25 minutes on the main channel, Martyn Lucas channel, for some music. If you want to join me, this is where we'll be. There we go. That's where we'll be in just, that's where we'll be in half an hour from now. But until then, you take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you back in the morning. Come and join us. Let's have a beer. Let's have a laugh. And then I'll see you back in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each other.